sing of the life I found, love to spread its joy all around. Don't think I've come here to convince you, for that is something only God can do. But if you can see part of Him in me, let it be. 'Cause I'm living in a life of love. Yes, I'm living in a life of freedom. I feel like a bird in a golden sky who has just learned how to fly. Fine for me, but that you must face reality. Well, tell me why it is you're crying, and I'm singing of my liberty. If you think on it a while, your crying face might turn to a smile. You'll be but there is a place you can begin. It's not by changing all your wrongs to right, but leaving all the changing up to